drink some water. Hey everyone, today we'll be doing our first unboxing on the Stone Pro tethering docking station for Thunderbolt 3 and also the vertical docking station for the 13-inch MacBook Pro, both made by Henge Docks, which is now owned by Brydge. And yeah, let's get into it. Pow! So this is where the MacBook Pro will be sitting and living and stationed in. This is where the USB-C will route out from here to the MacBook, and also from here out to the monitor, out to the keyboard, any other peripherals that will be connected to the MacBook. And yeah, let's open these babies up. So let's start off with the Stone Pro tethered docking station for Thunderbolt 3. Like I said, it's made by Henge Docks, which is now owned by Brydge. Here's the box. So it has an SD card reader on this side with your audio and microphone port here, as well as USB-C out and USB-A. There's 3 of those. An Ethernet port for your internet, Thunderbolt 3 for the computer, and a display port for your monitors, as well as the last one here is for the power. So you can power this baby up here. All right, let's go ahead and open this. Handy dandy knife. There it is in all its glory. Like I said, these are the ports. Henge Docks Stone Pro. Feels very sturdy, very high quality. All right, put this off to the side. Let's see what else we have here. Alrighty, you have your USB-C cable here, and here is the power cord. I believe this is the second part to the power cord. Yep. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So here you got the dock for the 13-inch MacBook Pro. You can connect 2 monitors with this. All right, so here we have the all-metal chassis in a beautiful space gray finish, perfect to match my 13-inch MacBook Pro. I really like the metal portion of this because it's heavy and it won't be wobbling around in your desk. The base has rear vents to maximize the airflow for the cooling, and the fact that it's a vertical dock, it'll be a space saver. And yeah, let's open this baby up. Here it is. Wow, it's definitely heavy. So the dock itself, like I mentioned, is quite sturdy and heavy, which is a plus because you don't want your MacBook wobbling around your desk. Another thing I did notice is that the texture of the dock is slightly different than the MacBook Pro. The color itself is quite close, it's just the texture that's slightly different. And for me, that's not necessarily a deal breaker. I still think they go very well together, but it's definitely something worth mentioning and something to keep in mind. MacBook Pro slides very well into this dock, so I really like that. I also like the fact that it'll look very well displayed on my desk. That's pretty much it. So I really hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Also, if you have any ideas for future videos, let me know. And thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Hector McFly out.